Okay, so I found these scratch stickers, like these scratch and reveal stickers at Dollar Tree. They come in 2 different sizes, and they also come in a bunch of, I think it's just red, pink, maybe gold or silver. I can't remember, but they come in 2 sizes. This is the larger one, and this is the smaller one. And I thought this would be so cool in the classroom for Valentine's Day. So it says to just write your word and image first, and then you peel off the scratch sticker, and then your students can slowly scrape away. Okay, so we're going to try this. All right, I'm going to use the smaller ones. You get 15 in one pack, so it's definitely economical. And then I made a homework pass. I think this is such a economical way to treat your students to something this Valentine's Day, and it doesn't break the bank for you. So this is where I'm going to put my scratch and reveal sticker. All right, so let's open this up and let's try it out. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, I see. I was getting a little nervous there. Okay, so you take the red part. Okay, sticker. And I'm going to put it over here. So it says, roses are red, violets are blue. Scratch the heart to reveal a Valentine treat for you. Okay, so I'm going to put this over. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, but you can see it a little bit. You can see through it a little bit. So I might lighten up my text a little bit next time. Okay. All right, so let's try it. I thought it'd be really cute also if you just even added a little penny to it. You could just tape this penny right onto it if you wanted to, or not. All right, so let's scratch and see how this works. Oh gosh, I'm moving the camera, sorry. It's attached to my table. Oh my gosh, yes. This is a game changer, for sure. I'm so sorry that everything was shaking, but that comes off so cleanly. I was a little worried that it would just not be right. And I would grab these up. You could use these all through the year. Who cares if they're hearts? So again, you get 6 of the larger ones. That's a lot to scratch. But you get 15 of the smaller ones. So these will go fast at Dollar Tree. They do not keep their seasonal things out. Once they're gone. So, and they don't really restock a lot. So I would grab these. There's so many things you can do. If I think of any other things, I will make a video. All right, thanks.